Yes, so here today in this video, so you are going to see 5 verbs, okay? Bun, kırın, chun, hatten, and huaren. So these verbs are really important because this is the first video of our new series called Kurdish Verbs Simplified. So in total we are going to study 20 verbs and this is the first one. I will try to compare the verbs both in present tense and in past tense. So during the meanwhile I will try to explain you the tenses, the forms, and how to use these verbs in both tenses. Okay, so it will be both a review for verbs and also for the tenses, present and past. Okay, so if you are ready, let's start. So here, so there are many verbs we will study, and here is the full list of the verbs I want to teach you today, like in total. So today we will only study yek, do, say, char, and pinch, and then the rest, like 15, will be 3 different videos. Okay, so as I said, our first video is our first verb is bun. Bun is to be. Oops, let me show you here. So bun is to be. So the first thing you see, the letter B, is our present tense, and the second one is the past tense. So for this video series, first one is always will be the present tense, the second one will be the past tense. Okay, past tense stem. So as you know, in Kurmanji, to be able to form a verb in any tense, you need to know the stem. So for present, future, subjunctive, present subjunctive, you use present stem, and for all the past tenses, past subjunctive, you use past stem. So here, for the present tense, you see we have 2 different conjugations. To say I am a student, you have as khwandekarim, as mamostama, I'm a teacher. To khwandekari, you are a student. To mamostei, you are a teacher. You are a teacher. Aw khwandekare, he, she is a student. Aw mamostei, he, she is a student. And same thing for plurals. So for a khwandekar, plural takes an, and for mamoste, plural takes ne. We are, you are, they are teachers, students. Here we have to be in the present tense because when you need to conjugate bun in present tense like emizar, you need to check the previous, so the last letter of the previous word before the verb. Okay, like here, I, e, n are the verbs, and the last letter of the previous word is r, is a consonant. And here, mamosteme, mamostei, mamosteye, the last letter of the previous word is a vowel. So it depends on vowel and consonant. If it is a consonant, it's I, e, n. If it's a vowel, it's me, yi, ye, ne. It is the rule, always. And for the past tense, luckily, there is no such a rule. You always use the same verbs, like same form. So boom, as boom, I was. Tu khwandekar bu, you were a student. Ew khwandekar bu, he or she was a student. Hun, ew khwandekar bun. We, you, they were students. Same thing for mamoste. Mamoste bum, mamoste buyi, mamoste bu. Mamostebun, okay? So this is for bun. It's really important. We need this for all noun sentences. Like when you say, I am something years old, I am from somewhere, my name is something, you always need this tense. Or I was there, I was here, I was da-da-da, so you always need this verb, okay? So learn this by heart. The second verb is kırın. So this is a transitive verb, okay? Transitive verb. Transitive verb means in the past tense, you use oblique pronouns. So, what does it mean? First, let's have a look at the stems. K is the present stem, as we discussed. Present stem. Wait, I need red. So K, only letter K, is the present stem. So the Kr is the past stem. Okay. So for present, it's easy because you know for rule for the present stem you put the, and then you put stem, and then you put endings like e, and right. The kum as chidikam, what am I doing or what do I do? So, but we never say. So in English, when you say what do you do, it's more like about your work, right? But in Latin Kurmanji, when you say to chidik, it means right now what are you doing, or in general how do you spend your time. But it's not about your work, not about your job. Okay. So chidikam, what am I doing? To chidiki, what are you doing? What's up? You hear people say chitki, chitki. When it is very fast, it sounds like chitki. Because chitki, it's like long, but we love to speaking fast. Chitki. Chidike, what he or she is doing. Chidikin, chidikin, chidik. Easy. But as I said, in the past tense, if you want to ask the same question, what did you do? What did she do? Etc. You need to use the oblique pronouns من تا وي we me one. من شكر تا شكر وي شكر وي شكر وين شكر. So here you see we have different subjects من تا وي we one, but the verb is the same. Why? Because the object is the same. So don't forget, keep in mind. In Kurmanji, when you conjugate a verb in the past tense, and if the verb is transitive, you need to conjugate your verb according to your object. So ch is singular, that's why you use kr. Not krim, not kri, not kr, no, just kr. Okay? Here we have astishtaki nakum. I'm not doing anything. Or in the past, mentishtek neker, I didn't do anything. من تشتك نكر تشكر من تشتك نكر تشدكي يستشتكي ناكم. Very useful two sentences, right? Okay, so the next verb is chun. So chun is intransitive verb, so you don't need to use mente we were one in the past tense. Okay, so intransitive verbs, like these movement verbs, the verbs doesn't take any object, are intransitive, and the one which take object is transitive. So chun is intransitive, the past stem is chu, the present stem is chu. So now we will compare almost the same sentences in different tenses. Okay, so as the chumalaho, I'm going to my place, my house. As chumalaho, to the chikudere, where are you going? To chui kudere, where did you go? Audice office. Auchu office. And the chin sardana malbata. We are going to visit our family. So we go visit our family. And chun sardana malbata. We went. Hun chuma the chun where? Why are you going there? Hun chuma chun where? Why did you go there? Audition Kurdistan, they are going to the Kurdistan. Chun Kurdistan, they went to the Kurdistan. So you see here, the very important thing about chun is whenever you use it, and if you have the destination, like going to home, going to the office, going to the Kurdistan, to the visit, so all these destinations are at the end, after the verb, okay? Dichum malahwe, chu office, chun Kurdistan, okay? So don't forget, destinations in Kurmanji are at the end, after the verb. Here, to chuma the chiwar, why are you going there? To chuma chiwar, why did you go there? Okay? So this is chun, important verb, learn it. The chum, nachum, chum, nechum. Here, So don't forget, for the present tense, negative ending, negative present prefix is na, and the negative prefix for past tense is ne. Nechum, nachum. Okay? And this one, so the next one is hatten. The present stem is a, past stem is hat. So let me explain you something. So you see, the present stem is a vowel and it's one letter. So vowels are always problem in Kurmanji, okay? Okay, this is my keyboard, lovely. So you see, as, what was the rule for present? You would say the, right? And then you put stem. And then you put your ending, right? Oh, what does it have? Yeah, so grammatically you need to say the M, right? But the M, it's in Bakur, in Kurmanji, we don't really say the M, but the M becomes tem, as tem. But in Bahdinan, Duhok, Zaho, Silopi, I think you hear people say the hem, okay? But in Kurmanji, not in Bahdini, we say tem, okay? So as tem, tu, tehi, أو te, hun, أو te. Yep. And negative form, wait, maybe, yeah. Negative form will be tem. Nayem, I'm not coming. Nayeyi, naye, nay. So this is a confusing verb. It's better to memorize, okay? And the past stem is hat. It's easy. It's an intransitive verb, so you use as, hun, aw in the past as well. So as tem malaho, I am coming to my place. As hat malaho, I came my place. To teiver, are you coming here? To hativer, did you come here? Aw teiku, where is he or she coming? Aw hatku, where did she or he come? Amten bajare wa, we are coming to your city. Am haten bajare wa. Hun chuma tenver, why are you coming here? Hun chuma hatenver. Auten sardanama, they are coming to visit us. Aw haten sardanama, they came to visit us. Here again, so haten is like chun, destinations, like I'm coming here, I'm coming home, I'm coming to the office. These places are always at the end, okay? And here, tu chuma teyivir, why are you coming here? And the past tense, tu chuma hativir, why did you come here? Okay? Why did you come here? Yes. So haten, don't forget. And the last verb is khwaran. So it is a transitive verb. It means you need to use what? You need to use mente, we, wa. Okay? So present stem is 2 letters, kh, and past stem is khwar. So the present tense. As tashte dukhum, having breakfast. Man tashte khwar. Tu chidkhui. Techwar. Aw shive dukhwe, is he or she having dinner? In the past, we shivkhwar is did he have dinner? We shiv nakhwar, she didn't have dinner. Am bahavalanre fravine dukhon, we are having fravin lunch with friends. In the past, ma bahavalanre fravin khwar. Hun dukhazn chu bukhon. In the past, like, did you have red apples? Did you eat red apples? So you see here, in this sentence, we shiv khwar, did he have dinner? So shiv is singular, right? Shiv, only one dinner, the dinner. That's why verb is just khwar. But here, wa seven sor khwaran, did you guys eat red apples? So many apples. That's why khwaran is plural, okay? Awfeki عندهن, they are awfeki عندهن, it's a question. Are they eating fruits? one fake خوارن, did they eat fruits? So you see again here, I want to say fruits. I made with the verb plural. As خوارن الدخم, I am having food, dinner. من خوارن خوار, I ate food, I had food. Okay, so here the thing is, خوارن is both a noun, like food, it's feminine, and it's also a verb, to eat. So like to eat food is خوارن خوارن. Okay. Yeah, that's all for this video. I hope it helped you to review these all present past rules. So we will continue. As I said, there will be more 3 videos like this, and we will learn total 20 verbs, and hopefully at the end of this series you will be able to use these verbs a little bit more comfortable. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day. And today is 21 Adare, Navroza و پیروز به. Happy Navroz. If you want to ask me anything, you can reach me on email, like Kurdish Lessons 2019, or you can write me on social media. Okay, بخاطر